Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, this cool myth right here, and basically what these are some replacement pad that you use for your steam mop that's from the Bissell brand. So I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like first. So when you take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So they basically provide you guys 2 of these. And they also provide you guys 2 of these right here. So basically for this set right here, they provide you guys 2 of these right here and 2 of these right here for you guys to replace it for your steam mop. And this only works for the Bissell Power Fresh Hardwood Floor Steam Cleaner. So if you guys don't have the correct product, then you probably don't want to get one of these right here. But basically, you can see the way how they design these look exactly like the same one that is purchased from the actual brand. And these are actually really useful, especially if you guys have like stain on your floor or whatever. And if you guys cannot clean it with like a towel or wet water or whatever, definitely getting a steamer is actually much more worth it. It actually works really well. But this is basically what the product looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually put this on and show you guys how to install it and show you guys what it actually looks like first, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here, if you can see, we have the Power Fresh Steam Mop. So like I mentioned, for this one I've been using for a really long time. If you can see, it's already really dirty. I don't really need to actually change it just yet, but if you can see, it's pretty dirty. So if you guys do need to change it, you can definitely get the one that I just showed you guys. But I'm going to take this off and put on a new one to show you guys what it actually looks like. So you basically just want to take this part off like this and put that on one side. And you can basically put the new one on top right here. So the way how you guys put the new one is go like this. Put it over this part right here. And then for the bottom part, you just want to just clip this part inside like this. Alright, so once you guys got it in, this basically actually looks like this side. If I flip it to our side right here, you basically want to just put this side inside here like this. That way you get a secure fit on here. And also for the bottom part here as well. Alright, so once you guys have it in, this is basically actually looks like with this one right here. So if you guys want to put on the other one right here, you definitely can as well. Let me actually put this on and show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so once you guys got it in, this is basically actually looks like. So you guys are basically ready to start using it. So I'm going to put some water inside right here and test it out to show you guys how it works and when it actually works. Alright, so we got the product all set right here. Let me actually pour some water in first. Alright, so we got the water in. We want to close it back up, and we want to plug in the cable and test it out. So we got the product all plugged in, we got the water in, let's test it out. So I'm going to press the switch right here to activate it. Alright, so everything here is on, and we lift it up. You guys can see and hear the steam. So we basically start using it. You can definitely use it to clean off the floor really easily, using water on here. So you see the replacement pad right here, it actually works really well to clean off like your floor or whatever you guys want to use it for. But if you guys want to use it on rug, it will not work. It only works on hardwood floor. Welcome back guys. So now that you saw a quick test of the product, definitely see that it actually does work. Actually works quite well. Super easy to install the product. It literally looks and works the same way as the original steam mop cloth that they give you when you guys purchase the Power Fresh steamer. So whether you want to use this option or this option right here, that is up to you guys. But both of them definitely does work if you guys want to use this to clean off like your hardwood floor surface. If you guys plan on using it for a rug, then probably not ideal for you guys to use one of these right here. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you're trying to look for a high quality replacement pad to actually put onto your Power Fresh steamer. If your old ones are all like messed up or ripped up or whatever, and you guys can't use it anymore, definitely getting one of these as a replacement is probably your best choice. So I would definitely have to say that these are worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.